Supreme Court overturns presidential pardon, reinstate death sentence for Miriam Sanda. Supreme Court has set aside the presidential pardon granted to Miriam Sanda and restored the death sentence originally handed down for the buying of her husband, Biliaminu Bello. Sanda was convicted by the FCT High Court in 2020 and sentenced to buying by a judgment later found by the Court of Appeal. President Bola Tinubu later commuted the sentence to 12 years imprisonment on humanitarian grounds. In a 4-1 verdict delivered on December 12, 2025, the Supreme Court dismissed her final appeal and ruled that the pardon was improperly issued while her case was still active in court. Justice More Odumeyi, who read the judgment, stated that the evidence firmly established her guilt and left no room for doubt. He further held that the executive cannot interfere in a homicide case still undergoing judicial review. This is new to me, that the Supreme Court can overturn presidential pardon. This is very new in law. Remember, in case you forgot, President Tinubu pardoned this lady during the last pardons that he dished out, and it ignited a lot of controversies and opinions, which later led to the president commuting it to 12-year sentence, and the Supreme Court has now overturned that decision, reversing it to the original sentence, which is buying. The question is that, does the Supreme Court have the power to overturn the executive decision on this case? If you are a lawyer, please educate me.